Verbs have many forms, but they all begin in their raw form. We call that form the infinitive. An infinitive is a verb in its raw form. In English, infinitives begin with the word to. For example, to eat. There are many other forms of eat. We can say ate, eaten, eating. Those are all forms that come from the infinitive form, to eat. Just like tacos, hamburgers, and meatloaf all begin as raw ground beef. Similarly, the verbs going, went, and gone all begin as the raw infinitive to go. Now, let's look at infinitives in Spanish. Infinitives in Spanish come in three varieties: AR, ER, or IR. Hablar is an AR verb because it ends with the letters AR. Comer is an ER verb because it ends with the letters ER. And dormir is an IR verb because it ends with, that's right, you guessed it, IR. Those two letters at the end of the verb are just like the two in English. They make the verb infinitive, 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 infinitive. So hablar means to talk. Comer means to eat. And dormir means to sleep. Let's see if you can identify the infinitive form of these verbs in Spanish.